Your Excellency, when we were seated there, you were a bit concerned ya kwamba hawa waliongea hapa wameumiza Kimani Ichung'wa kidogo. But Your Excellency, you and I also need to reconcile with Kimani Ichung'wa because he has not been very nice to us. You know, Kimani Ichung'wa was in Alliance High School. Anytime we have an occasion and he is given an opportunity to speak, because the president and I were in some schools who many people don't want to mention or think about, he tries to intimidate the president and I, despite the fact that we are seniors, that he was in Alliance High School. Hata kama ulikuwa Alliance na mimi sikuwa huko, uniheshimu kidogo. Kwa sababu hiyo Alliance yako hiyo. They say that the people from Alliance boys and girls are top. Mimi niliingia hiyo Alliance yako, Alliance girls. Nikachanganya mtoto ya mwenyewe, nikaweka box, ni bibi yangu leo. So between me and these guys who went to Alliance, who is more superior? na sikuweka a box peke yake for the last 35 years, ako kwa hiyo box. Finally, Your Excellency, before I call you, I want to commend the choir, ile ya Osoro. So Osoro na hiyo timu yako, tukimaliza munione nyuma ya hema. But not the bigger team, that one hiyo bado. So Osoro, I'll talk to Pastor Docas. We consider whether during our wedding anniversary you can come and perform. Lakini mjumbe wetu moja hapo alikuwa anaitwa Kagushia, ameniangusha. Alikuwa hana uniform. Mimi najua uchaguzi ulikuwa ngumu, lakini hujaishiwa hiyo kiasi. So wewe unione mwisho wa mwezi nikupange uniform so that you don't embarrass the people of Nyeri. So Your Excellency, we are happy today. It's a happy moment for the country with the era of reconciliation and forgiveness that you have led us as our leader. And all of us are persuaded and we want to move to that direction.